Now this one dedicated to all of the man them who call the daughter them cradle. Well, D-flexxx you can't call the African daughter cradle. Cause things and time really and truly going tell. Say not to dread, you must not call them cradle. Say not to dread, you must not call them cradle. Until you must not call them daughter cradle. You must not call them daughter cradle. Kiss one of them lad, you must feel well. Cook pound a rice, Jaja know it must swell. It seems like a gypsy must say put me under spell. Me draw me bone and a roll like a Willie Young tell. A youth like a me, man, nobody should no mill. Cause some a bite like campion and some bad no hell. Cause till you're not teaching, you must not call them fidel. Say not teaching. Now this one dedicated to all of the man them who call the daughter them cradle. Well, D-flexxx you can't call the African daughter cradle. Cause things and time really and truly going tell. Say not to dread, you must not call them fidel. Say not to dread, you must not call them fidel. Not till you must not call them your daughter fidel. Dread, you must not call them your daughter fidel. Kiss one of them lad, you must feel well. Cook pound a rice, Jaja know it must swell. It seems like a gypsy must say put me under spell. Me draw me bone and a roll like a Willie Young tell. A youth like a me, man, nobody should no mill. Cause some a bite like campion and some bad no hell. Cause till you're not teaching, you must not call them fidel. Say not teaching, you must not call them fidel. Cannot teach you have a soul and a mind. Say look how them chasing and them jeans all the time. Say if you can't to them and them no pay you no mind. You shoulda never turn on and go call them concubine. The favorite food is the happy and pine. But the spirit of God not driving champion all the time. So till you're not teach you must not call them fidel. Say not teach you must not call them fidel. You have a neck, not teach you have a nose. Look how them are dressing and them brand new clothes. Say if you can't to them and them will fill you up a pose. And you say you turn on and I call them Legos. Until you not teach you must not call them fidel. Say not teach you must not call them fidel. You know why? Cause Jennifer she come in a big long dress. Say her hairstyle favor any bird nest. She have a big nostril and a big puff up chest. And when time she tired man she sit down and rest. But I'm a na go call her no fidel. Me say that I'm a na go call her no fidel. You know why? Me is a youth, me no bummy, go on. Me is a youth, we no watchy, go on. Me is a youth, we no chatty, go on. Me is a youth, we no beggy. Not to dread, me no go call them no fidel. Say not to dread, me no go call them no fidel. Cause a daughter, no matter how them chat, from principal, love your man a 1 dozen frack. You could be a ballet or even dreadlocks. You could be a 12 tribe or even after that. Cause till you're not to dread, we no go call them no fidel. Say not to dread, we no go call them no fidel. Say not to dread, don't call them fidel.
But I've life in a fool, well treated as a fool.
R&Z, some them a wonder. On D-flexxx to this, I see them come with tumbo.
I thought she would listen to me, though. But I've life in a fool, well treated as a cool. She broke my heart and let me cry. Broke any rule and that's why. True confession, she can read the story. Read it in the magazine. And all of a sudden, man, she goes on. And she still wouldn't listen to me. But when I call her up and I apologize, she said she loved me, could Johnny indeed. But I'm afraid until the rest of life, because I know she wouldn't listen to me. Because I know she wouldn't listen to me. Lord, I know she wouldn't listen to me. Lord, because I know she wouldn't listen to me. Lord, she don't want to hear what I have to say. Oh, oh well, oh well. But when I call her up and I apologize, she said she loved me, could Johnny indeed. But I'm afraid until the rest of life, because I know she wouldn't listen to me. Because I know she wouldn't listen to me.
Hey, everybody making moves. Why don't you make the right move?
D-flexxx.
Well, money move, money move. Want you to do the money move, money move, money move. Want you to do the money move. Just you put your two hands in your pocket. Now take out some money for all your brethren. Save some money for little Harry. Save some give some money for one shadow man. Money move, want you to do the money move. Money move, this a money moves. Everybody making moves, why don't you make the right move? Serene, the country can't run without no money. Your mortgage can't pay without no money. Your light bills can't pay without no money. Lord, your rent can't pay without no money. So make a move, make a conscious move. Money move.
Really got to get you loving.
Money.
Oh, yo.
Money.
Why, look how me sexy, look how me ready, and look how me irie. Me still wants to leave me and go to another. I really got to get you kissing. I really got to get you loving. Oh, yo. Why, look how me sexy, look how me ready, and look how me irie. Me still wants to leave me and go to another. I really gotta get you kissing. I really gotta get you loving. Look for me naughty, it a me beauty, and me now go cut it. I really gotta get you kissing. I really gotta get you loving. Oh, yo. I buy you everything your heart desire. I even tried to set your soul on fire, and you still try to leave me and go to another. I really got to get you kissing. I really got to get you loving. I'm not getting crazy over you, baby. No. Even though I'm under your spell. 'Cause as I pass you on the street, my little heart just skips a beat. Oh yes, it skips a beat. Oh yes, it skips a beat. Don't you know you've got your influence on me? You wanna drive me out of my mind. 'Cause as I pass you by, I fell in love with you. When you look at me, I'm hypnotized. Yes, I'm hypnotized. Oh yes, I'm hypnotized. So I'm not getting crazy over you, baby.
And do you take it steady for your lawful wife? Yes, I do. I'm getting married in the morning. Ding dong, you hear the church bell ring. She asked me, hello baby, and I'm gonna mind it. So take me to the church on time. But you me man, say if you think I'm sexy, your little girl reach out and touch me. If you really need me, your little girl reach out and tell me. And give me your loving, give me your loving. Don't forget about the all night squeezing. Don't forget about the hugging and teasing. I'm getting married in the morning. Ding dong, you hear the church bell ring. She have me yellow baby, and I'm gonna mind it. So take me to the church on time. But you me man, say on a go a Barbican. On my way, me a go a Barbican. Me buck up me wife, when name Susan. Say like me husband, I beg you sing a love song. If you ever change your mind about leaving me behind, say honey, bring it to me. Bring your sweet loving, bring it along to me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Say that me wife is a part of me life. Me wife is a part of me life. Say some are married and some are divorced. Some of them are talk about married life to divorce. But tell you,
I used to have to be done minutes. Me set it. Zungo, zungo, go, zungo, zen. Zungo, zungo, go, zungo, zen. Say if you have a paper, you must have a pen. And if you have a start, you must have a end. Say 5 plus 5, it equal to 10. And if you have both, you put them in a pen. And if you have a rooster, you must have a hen now. Zungo, zungo, go, zungo, zen. Zungo, zungo, go, zungo, zen. Jump for happiness and jump for joy. You know fi call yellow man no boy. Lady and they used to take fit tire. Beer guy lord him call him child. You know fi call yellow man no boy. You know fi call John no boy. You know fi take iron knife boy. Zungo zungo go zungo zen. Watch it. Zungo zungo go zungo zen. Catch it. Zungo zungo go zungo zen. Car 00119. Cause yellow man make you feel so fine. Me chat on me lyric, me chat them in a rhyme. Me not eat like me full up a rhyme. Cause yellow man is not coming no crime. Car zungo zungo go zungo zen.
Man, me went to a dance a Clarendon. Me and a big fat thing named Pam. But I could reach at the dance gate. The gate pan a hole up on me woman hand. One box me give me 9 blasted face. Money scatter out all over the place. Babylon but me with a big 38. Hear me now tell. Leg on me hand gate and let me come in. Leg on me hand gate and let me come in. Me sleep under me cellar when me live on popping. And anything me eat it off me ice gold and green. Me beetroot, me ackee and me cabbage and me Queensland. Leg on me hand gate and let me come in. Leg on me hand gate and let me come in. You love brag and you love show off, Lord. Your mouth long like a shovel mouth shark. Put me neck on a block and even chop it off. Put it in a wheelbarrow, fling it down a wharf. Me duppy come back and it's still a laugh. Leg on me hand gate and let me come in. Leg on me hand gate and let me come in. Leg on me hand gate and let me come in. Take your $5 out of my $20, Lord. Give me back my $15 change. Cause when you dey a dance, get your access strings, Lord. Leg on me hand gate and let me come in. Leg on me hand gate and let me come in. Have my brethren, Lord, the rest of New York. You can telescope on the spine of yard.
Down in my own town, bad boys them took me down, robbed me and beat me bad. Me have to turn to me master God, them a lick shot. Me have to get flat, boy yoy, them a lick shot. Me have to get flat, boy yoy. Tell the police them no response for that. Them say me a idiot. I've got to put a stoppage to that. Cause I'm no aristocrat. Them a lick shot. Me have to get flat.
Because we should be the closest things unto a man. Because all these things are abomination to the Lord God. Yeah. Cause every day the girls dress up in a trousers. I say what happened to your skirts and blouses? Why can't I man see you in your dresses? Cause these things unto Jajan and pieces. And every day them a worship vanities. And your greatest lust is jewelries. Mind ya lick you with diseases. Hey, mind ya lick you with diseases. Yeah, the most dangerous diseases. I said the most dangerous diseases. I'm talking like the elephantitis. The other one is the polymyelitis. Arthritis and the one diabetes. You see, cause every day that I turn the Bible pages, from Proverbs forward to Genesis, from Revelation to Ecclesiastes. But let me tell you, say me wisdom increases, and the loss of the world it decreases. While every day man poses. Mind jolly cure with diseases. Hey, mind jolly cure with diseases. I said the most dangerous diseases. I said the most dangerous diseases. I'm talking like the elephantitis. The other one is the polymyelitis. Arthritis and the one diabetes. You see, while the stars that shines from the galaxies, and it shines on human faces. Hear the cry of the Israelite voices, who once led by the man Moses. Jah, we need your advice. Hey, help us out of the crisis. Hey, Jah, we need your advice. Hey, help us out of the crisis. You see, every day the girls dress up in a trousers. I say, what happened to your skirts and blouse?
We watch a man, me skull bone connect to me jawbone. Me jawbone connect to me collarbone. Me collarbone connect to me chest bone. Me chest bone connect to me ribs bone. Me ribs bone connect to me spine bone. Me spine bone connect to me leg bone. Me leg bone connect to me knee bone. Me knee bone connect to me ankle bone. Me say me ankle bone connect to me toe bone. Me toe bone connect to me toenail bone. What a whole heap of bone. Come let me tell you, me say skin, flesh and bone a fi me own. Jaman say Nicodemus a fi mash it and go home. And some of them a talk about me ear one comb. Me dash the 20 scissors and me broke a 40 comb. So one thing I left a fi me ear figure comb. Jaman inna the bone man connection. Come let me tell you, this a bone man connection. But watch a man so you I'm for the dead
Entertainment is a form of enjoyment. No matter what you know, the dance. We come to enjoy, we see. We come to enjoy, we see. No matter fighting at the dance. We come to enjoy, we see. While the music playing and me hygiene skanking, the sister dancing. If me see a man, I dance with me woman. Me nah go get jealous. Me nah go make no fuss. No matter fighting at the dance. We come to enjoy the city. We come to enjoy the city. Meet me by the river someday. Meet me by the river, not far away. Happy, oh, that is taking me along. It's taking all the weak and it's taking all the strong. Meet me by the river someday. Papa French, you will be going to Holy Mount Zion. Papa Rocky will be going to the promised land. Hey, happy, oh, Jah is taking me along. He's taking all the weak and he's taking all the strong. No wicked cannot enter Holy Mount Zion. No wicked cannot enter to the promised land.
Hey, follow me. Come follow me now. Mix this. Boy, I'm on a rush them like a pit bull. Mix with a ratty, knock them like a rifle. Mix with a shotty, and over them, like the watchy, chatty like a sleeping time. Mix with the motor massy, try to mix up the original with carbon copy. Don't mix the marijuana plant with the poppy. Beef and the rest of dread, no beef. Mix up beef, no natty, no passion dread, nothing come around. Out Selassie, me love me girl them caramel, a little coffee. Freaky when she ready, but she know when she feel classy. Talking about a slim girl, mixed with a fatty, me a talk about small waist. Big fatty, what she say she love. Dumpling and the saltfish mixed with a kid. Talking about the jerk chicken, more than teriyaki. I'm an of the peanut, then up with the machine, make me ride it like a cyclist. Mixed with a jacket, you know what's gonna happen when the mommy mix with papi. 9 months later, baby wrap up in a nappy. You know money can make a filthy rich mix with the happy.
Tell them a certain boy pon the corner informer. Certain boy pon the corner informer. 'Cause him a fight against me and me lover. 'Cause him a fight against me and me lover. We used to move close, but now we move closer. Say him in a clocks, me in a roach killer. Certain boy no love that, and go tell me father. It's
gangster life.
Oh Lord, yeah. Oh Lord, got a hold on to me. Your sweet love got a hold on to me. Listen. Girl, you got me here tonight, and the feeling is right. Let's make love till morning light, 'cause your love's got a hold on me. Your sweet love's got a hold on me. I said your love's got a hold on me. Yeah, your love's got a hold on me. Don't try to tease me. Loving me, it's so easy. Let your feelings flow. Let your love light go. 'Cause your love got a hold on to the fisherman. When I say special request on a popular man, because you're with the mic, come on. Tell you about it, oh. Hey, come and say tribute to the fisherman, them. So me say tribute to the fisherman, them. So me say, hey, Mr. Fisherman, sell me some splat a couple pound of parrot, a couple pound of the jack. Tell little of that, me say me take it home, man. Me put it in me pot, me boil tea with that. Me say that tribute to the fisherman, them. Hey, so me say tribute to the fisherman, them. Boy, you me know, me have two hygiene, say the two of them a friend. Say one name John, me say the other name Glenn. Them fish in the sea, me say them fish in the pan. 'Cause when them done fisherman, them come back around. Me say tribute to the fisherman, them right. 'Cause me say tribute to the fisherman, them. Boy, you me star. Say, hey, Mr. Fisherman, tell me what you like.
Once I was a reckless gambler, and my little girl been could not spend. Then I needed Zion good, then I sing, then I live in the middle of the sea, and worship begun to sing. Captain Selassie, Jehovah's mercy over all.
must hold on steady. We're moving off at lightning speed, yeah. Take a seat and wait till I'm ready. I'm coming, so hold on steady, yeah. Whoa, 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 yeah. Sailing, sailing.
So they say up to the tank, kick it like a ball.
Say when I'm ready, you must hold on steady. We're moving off at lightning speed, yeah. Take a seat and wait till I'm ready. I'm coming, so hold on steady, yeah. Big ship sailing on the ocean. We don't need no commotion. Big ship sailing on the ocean. Whoa, whoa, yeah. Say big ship sailing on the ocean. Big ship sailing on the ocean. Whoa, whoa, yeah. There's a time when the sea gets rough, the wind is blowing and the fishes keep moving. What are you doing, Mr. Man? Sit down, hold on tight, get ready, cause we're sailing. Big ship sailing on the ocean. We don't need no commotion. Big ship sailing on the ocean. Get ready, cause we're moving. Big ship sailing on the ocean. Whoa, 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 yeah. Big ship sailing on the ocean.
Girl, where you come from? Cause you no love reggae music. Every time it play, you refuse it. I pity you no know we can't lose it. The people them love it in a London. The people them love it in America. The people them love it in a Canada. The people them love it all over. Hey, girl, where you come from? I must say, Moko, you come from. Hey, girl, where you come from? You foot them tough like yam. Hey, wanna left me? Cause me a God bless picnic. Cause you no love reggae music. Hey, girl, where you come from? You not go like a Jamaican. For you a go like you a alien. For you no feel this your music. For this a sweet reggae music. Even the foreigner them love it. They want make you can't love it. Hey, where the deng deng. Where the deng deng. Hey, hey, where the deng deng. Where the deng deng. Hey, girl, where you come from?
Son, don't put your hat where you can't reach it. It doesn't make no sense. Good things come to those who work hard for it. Adjust yourself to the life you can afford to live. The road to the top is long and winding. A foolish dog barks to fly in bed. Patient man, ride donkey. Cool out, son. Cool out, son. You have to creep before you walk. While there is life, there is hope. Cool out, son.
Stop the fussing and the fighting, brothers. Stop the fussing and the fighting, brothers.
Easy.
A chain is as strong as its weakest link. Each one is brother's keeper. I said unity is the foundation of survival. Got to let your love come shine. Stop the fussing and the fighting, brothers. Oh, yeah, yeah. Stop the fussing and the fighting, brothers.
Hey, hey, hey.
Oh, now.
Yes, sir. Yeah. World of reggae music on ya. Hey. Keep me rocking with me daughter. Hey. World of reggae music on ya. Hey. Never left ya, never know, sir. Hey. Now just be nice and hold your space. I won't entertain no more disgrace. Out in the street, they call it murder. When rhythm's passing out your head.
Kick it back up bar.
World of reggae music on ya. Eh. Keep me rocking with me daughter. Eh. World of reggae music on ya. Eh. Lord, I thirsty, give me water. Eh. Man showing how man they call it.
Jam rock, jump where the thugs and can cut. You come now within a van back. It inna your handbag, your knapsack, it inna your backpack. This melody your girlfriend contact. Some boy not know this. Them only come around like tourists on the beach with a few club sodas, bedtime stories, and pose like them name Chuck Norris. And don't know the real hardcore, cause sandals are not back to. The thugs them we do where them got to. And won't think twice to shot to. Don't make them spot you, unless you carry guns a lot to. A beer tough thing come at you when trench town man stop laugh and block off traffic. Then them we learn pop off and them start chop it. With the pin file long and it a beat rapid. Police come in a jeep and them can't stop it. Some say them a playboy rabbit. Get chopped like a bad habit. Some a bad a post off if you don't have it. Rastafari stands alone.
Down in the region where I raised, yeah, it's the survival of the hardest. One man well cool, the next man tense, y'all. Some sounds like these across the fence. Well, hear this, trouble you, they trouble me. No, I woulda just flash me thing. Bubble you, they bubble me. Yes, you know, forward in a mirror. Trouble you, they trouble me. No, I woulda just flash me thing. Bubble you, they bubble me. Yes, you know, forward in a mirror. Give me the fire. I do easy. Fire. Some man just born to nice up dance. Doba. See man locked down in tight romance, yeah. The essence of Aishan fills the air, yeah. You're free to look, but don't you dare stare. Hear this, trouble you, they trouble me. No, I woulda just flash me thing. Bubble you, they bubble me. Yes, you know, forward in a me ring. Trouble you, they trouble me. No, I woulda just flash me thing. Bubble you, they bubble me. Yes, you know, free to flip and come in. Easy. Fire. Easy. Fire. And then I region forces red. Runway. Man pick up corn for razor blade way. The nobles of English would be sad. No doubt.
no dance. What? You go with the big people them there. Come on, they keep in a conference at intercounty. They keep in a conference at intercounty. It was the big man them in a category. Say like C, I go with his wife Mixie, along with Manley with his wife Beverly, along with Reagan with his wife Nancy, along with Miss Lou and the one Gigi. They said for all the DJ in a category. They said for Peter Metro to be the MC. They say Peter Metro chat too much Spanish. They said for Josie Wheel to be the MC. They said Josie Wheel chat too much badness. They said for Brigadier to be the MC. They say Brigadier chat too much Christianity. They said for Sassafras to be the MC. They say Sassa come from the ass family. They want a DJ we suit everybody. They send a limousine with 10 police to escort the man up to Intercounty. They come out of the car, police salute me. See I go, Amanda, they come meet me. They sit down around the table, Johnny Walker whiskey. Me start chat me culture, roots and reality. See I go get up with his wife Nixie and start do the style name Water Pumpy. And Manley get up with his wife Beverly and start do the style name Cool and Deadly. And Reagan get up with his wife Nancy and start do the style name Electric Boogie. Beside Miss Lou, she grab Gigi. Miss Lou make her rub Gigi, say your feet. Miss Lou make her rub Gigi, say your feet. You make her next rope, she start going like Chalice. You can't rub her, you can't dub her, you can't whine, Lord. It names society party. It names society party. Kawa. In the party, spear jacket and tie. In the party, it's both black and white. No fuss, neither no fight. No one no have gun, but no one no have knife. But tell the yellow man say you feel make it if you try.
Hey, hey. Some call it Spanish Town, a prison over rock. And some call it Spanish Town, a prison over rock. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. What a cool and deadly. Hey. The people are skanking while the daughter them whining. The rude boy them tripping. Ooh, yeah. What a cool and deadly. Yeah. And in the ear that a Jackie fashion. Back out your body that a water pumpy. Wine slowly that a cool and deadly. Move lively that a horseman scatty. So some call it Spanish Town, but a prison over rock. Some call it Spanish Town, a prison over rock.
I grew up in a place called La Vega. Spanish Town rocking, over blazing over. I grew up in a place called Ensom City. Spanish Town grooving, everybody nice.
El Jaman, Spanish Town, me born, that's where me come from. From me looking at me face, you see a De La Vegan. Well, I say Max and Glazer Anti-Federation. Strictly roots and culture play for nice station. Yo, yeah, me Latino youth, them on the money promoter. We are doing this to the dance done, I'm ready. Spain Town original. And my neighbors drink out over Spanish Town hospital. To me mama name, Nana Spanish Town original. And my papa name, Kaneka Spanish Town original. And my granny name, Peggy Spanish Town original. Them call her sticker cause she don't normal. For your grandson, Kaneka such a field marshal. If I dance at school, we are the principal. And now we are the real microphone officials. Give them a new style. A Sperling in a me goodies and me well physical. Well, I'm offering Papa Connect microphone official. Me read me Bible every day and some well biblical. I meditate in the morning, some well spiritual. I said the original Chronics representing from prison over. Live and direct, hear me now. I grew up in a place called De La Vega. De La Vega. Spanish Town rock.